Okay guys, I'm going to show you this 1970 Chevy C10 truck, 350 5-speed. Tell me what you think this is worth. I'm at the Rod Run Pigeon Forge. This looks just like the wheels I just bought here a few weeks ago that I'd like to put on that 78 Cheyenne truck. I'm going to tell you, I had a truck just like this, and the same color. Mine was a 71, just like it. Of course, mine was automatic, had air and all that stuff. It's a short bed. Mine was all decked out with the chrome and all that stuff. I like the bed liner in it, or painted, textured. Looks good. 6 lug. I would have thought it'd been 5. Well, no, this is a 70. It's got the sport bumper and the sport, I call them sport side markers. Looks good. It's a really nice truck. Original style inside upholstery. Very, very nice. Very, very nice, very clean. What do you think this is worth? Remember, it's a 350 5-speed, which to me is an upgrade. I mean, you're going to get real good gas mileage with a 5-speed. What do you think a truck like this is worth in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Rod Run? Last chance. Okay, here we go. $29.5. Buy, sell, trade. OBO. 350 5-speed. This is a really nice truck. Clean. I had one just like this truck. Same color, everything. Mine was a 71. And that's the way love goes sometimes. I'll just say that. Anyway, appreciate y'all playing along with me. There's a little Ford Ranger getting it. Anyway, I'll let y'all go. Have a great day. Don't forget, I got 2 YouTube channels, Primered is Best and Chevy Trucks. Chevy Trucks is 2 words. And I'm on Instagram, Primered is Best. Forgot about that. It's all 1 word. Appreciate you watching. Y'all stay safe. God bless each and every one of you. See you later.